Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to do the viral no leave out method on this full sew-in. This look is seamless, it's sleek, it requires no blending, no trying to make your natural hair blend in with the curly hair. It is good and ready to go. If you want to see how she got this look, then make sure you watch the whole video. It's only 6 minutes. Let's go. I'm going to start off by nourishing her scalp with my oil blends that I make myself, available in my salon, and it will be available online soon. And so I'm just going to go ahead and cut to the chase. I started to sew in the wefts, and as you can see that I did cut the wefts because when I do my sew-ins, I like the hair to be nice and flat. You know, when my client rubs her fingers through her hair, I don't want her to feel any lumps or anything like that. So she said it was okay for me to cut the wefts, and that's exactly what I did to avoid, you know, a lumpy, bumpy install. I like everything to be flat.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind.
As you can see here, I like to take the wefts up towards her temple. This will allow the hair to fall forward towards her face, which will give her a full look, especially when you're wearing a bust down middle part. As you can see, we are getting down to the rim. Okay, we are almost done, but look at that. That is so gorgeous. This looks like the Fulani styles that the East Africans wear, which is so beautiful. I even told my client, like, hey, I can send you home just like this, and your hair will be, you know, you'll be getting so many compliments. She was like, it's cute, but never mind. But as you can see, this is flawless. And this is the second to last track before I start the crochet no leave out method. Right now I am measuring the track to the T to make sure that everything fits perfectly before I sew it in, because this is the part that everyone's going to see, and when I do that no leave out crochet method, it is going to be seamless. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and tie this off right here with a nice little knot a couple times before I cut it, and we are going to do the no leave out. And yeah, so keep watching. I like using this blue crochet hook. I got this from Walmart. It is a lot smoother. Unlike the pink and green ones, I think those are really pricky and they hurt my clients. So I just went to the arts and crafts section and picked out this blue one. It is very smooth and it goes through the hair so easy. So I'm just placing the needle under the track, and then I will grab some hair. As you can see, I'm going under. Okay, I'm going to put some hair on that hook, close the latch and pull it through and over, and that is it. So what I'm going to do right here is back comb at the root of that track to make sure everything looks nice and natural. And as you can see, my girl is feeling it. Okay, I'm giving you another view right here to show you exactly what I'm doing. And look at that, seamless. Okay, like track wear. So this is the invisible part. This is the crochet no leave out method, and it is a 10 out of 10. So I'm just going to go ahead and just frame her face just a bit to give her some shape.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind.
Look at her, y'all. She is geeked. Okay, she is on 10 right now. Yes, it does look cute. So I'm just going to spray her hair with some water and apply a curling custard to define her curls a bit. And yeah.
To think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith than me. Put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me.
I'm just gonna twine the curls like around my fingers just to make those curls pop a little bit more. And this is what we came up with. I think it's really cute. And this is her after. Look at that. Those curls are so juicy, and as the curls dry, they're going to pop even more. But look at that invisible part. Look at that no leave out crochet. All right, got my girl looking sweet. And like I said, as the hair dries, it's going to swell a little bit and look a lot more, natural. But for now, I think this is perfect and I'm loving it. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.
Think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself.